Low-temperature chiller maintenance and maintenance knowledge sharing. Low-temperature chillers have a lower refrigeration boundary. Some temperature requirements are below -10 degrees Celsius to -100 degrees Celsius. If malfunction occurs during use, it will be unavailable. Therefore, we must pay attention to maintenance in daily use. First, the air-cooled low-temperature chiller should be turned on according to whether the fan is turned correctly. If it is turned on and it can be turned on, it means that the power connection is reversed, and the phase sequence must be replaced before starting. Second, the set values of the various protection devices of the unit have been adjusted by the factory, and the user should not change it at will. Third, when the unit has a fault and alarms and stops, first press the stop button of the unit, the alarm light will go out, and then check the cause of the fault, and do not force it to start operation before the fault is eliminated. Fourth, if it is not an emergency, it is not allowed to turn off the unit by cutting off the main power supply. If the unit is not used for a long time in winter, turn off the unit first, then turn off the main power supply, the oil heater, and drain the water in the system. Fifth, keep the machine room clean and well ventilated, and clean the condenser regularly to ensure the normal and stable operation of the unit. Sixth, for air-cooled low-temperature chillers, please keep the surface of the cooling coil of the low-temperature freezer clean to ensure that the surrounding air is circulating and the temperature is low. Regularly clean the scale on the coil to ensure a good heat exchange effect. Seventh, if the low-temperature chiller has been used for more than 6 months, or the high/low pressure switch frequently fails, please clean the condenser in time.